Yeah, this ice you're doing.
Do you remember to feed the pony?
He's in the car. He'll be fine. I'll let him some snacks.
Yeah, don't. Have a good time.
Planning on it.
They'll help you for sure.
We are going to be the best cuers on the planet when we're done.
All right.
We could win a queuing contest. Do they have queuing contests?
I don't think so. Only in Britain.
At least we don't have to be in that queue. The Queen queue line. Oh my God, that was a line.
Britain
That
knows
was
how
a
to
queue.
I think you're supposed to take your accoutrements off.
We're not taking anything off. This is rugged. This is rugged. Look, Tommy's gonna take our picture. Point at Tommy. Look at Tommy. Look, he's shooting Nikon. That's good. We're his friend. Oh, wait.
Oh, arms out.
Arms out.
Yes.
All right, welcome guys. I got you both on board. Just go through the double doors and up the ramp. Enjoy your
Thank
cruise.
you. There you go. She just got.
My only concern is getting my seasickness patch on my ear. Thank you. Yep. Are we there yet?
We haven't left port.
So far, I've seen one dragonfly and 2 pelicans. That's the extent of the wildlife I've experienced.
No, the guy in the overalls.
There is an interesting gentleman who looks like Colonel Sanders wearing super farm overalls with the like green stripe on it. Like I know what brand that is and I can't think of it, but like full on Colonel Sanders, hair, beard, mustache. He's awesome. He came in from the fields to come on the cruise.
Maybe we'll have fried chicken for dinner.
We could have anything for dinner because they have all kinds of crazy food here apparently.
Well, very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board the beautiful Liberty of the Seas.
You see, they have beach sandwich. For beet lovers.
For the sweets.
For the Swedes, if Pele were with us. If you were here, Pele, they have plenty of beets. Now, why'd you go for a hot dog without a bun?
I always eat hot dogs without buns if I'm not on the road. Oh, I see. I don't need a lot of bread. You give me a hamburger and a hot dog just on the plate. I eat both of those. I don't need any buns. I'm getting more bang for my buck.
I did see they had hamburgers over there.
Yeah.
I might get one. No ripples ever the same. It's so nice. See? It's nice.
It's gross.
But there's no traffic.
Traffic doesn't bother me. You're always driving.
Yeah, so for once, I don't have to drive.
Yeah, you don't do
Look, little boy's taking pictures. Mom and his sister wearing matchy shirts.
that. Matchies. Turn into a Coke Zero.
This is I'm gonna turn into a Coke Zero machine. We have the non-alcoholic drink package. Now we're gonna play a game on this cruise. It's called Spot the People Who Bought the Alcoholic Package.
Who are getting their money's worth.
Yes, it's Spot the People Who Are Getting Their Money's Worth on the alcohol package is the name of the game. So we'll be playing that one throughout the cruise, as well as we are going to try and win all trivia contests on Sick Cruise.
I'm going to start putting X's on people who should see the dermatologist.
Maybe that's the whole game. Look, there's that boat ramming.
It's a ship.
That ship ramming.
Things of that size are called a ship.
Okay, but it's
not
big.
just a boat.
Aye, Captain.
So it's what's that? Like a ship parking lot out there?
I don't know.
That's what it looks like. I'm interested in what is there some sort of breakwater that's under there? It's weird.
Well,
See how there's like a line?
Yeah, it's probably because that's where we were. We're there.
But like,
Turbulence. Can you feel the little turbulence?
you can get turbulence. We're in the channel. See, there's a buoy. So you have to stay
Buoy!
stay-
Baba buoy!
stay in the channel so you don't go
Crunch.
shit.
We've hit asunder. Iceberg, dead ahead. So yeah, so we have games to play. We have the identify people with mysterious lesions. You need to go down to the doctor infirmary.
It's already one.
She's got one.
Yeah, I didn't mark him, but I really should have put a big.
Put an X on him. Then we've got who's getting full use of the drink package. Oh, then we have the point out the people wearing matching clothing. That's gonna be another fun game.
People who have vacation shirts.
People with vacation shirts. Yep. And then I'm gonna go on that water slide for sure.
God bless.
Kirsten's gonna get that one on video.
I should be the videographer for the super adventure things.
Super adventure things. I'll do the super adventure.
I will spectate. Some of the boats just hanging out. Interesting.
So we're getting ready for the amazing race.
If you ever finish the audition tapes.
The audition tape will get done. And with your help and votes, they get to vote for us.
No, they don't get to.
We don't get audience submission votes. Well, that sucks too. I don't want to be on this game show.
It's not a game show.
Oh,
It's a reality kind